Okay, let's take a look at the example questions. The first of all, the symbol of the sodium is Na. And if you look at the periodic table, here's Na, group 1A. So there's one valence electron. And the number of proton, Na has the atomic number of 11. So it has 11 protons. And since it has one valence electrons, it'll easily lose that valence electron. Number of electrons after losing or gaining. So after losing one electron, it'll end up with only 10. It used to have 11 electrons, but after losing one, it's 10 electrons left. So charge of the ion formed after losing the electron with 11 protons and 10 electrons, it'll be +1. So we can write down as like Na +1, and the ion resembles which noble gas. So let's find out which element has 10 electrons. And it seems to be the neon with atomic number 10 has 10 electrons. So we can write down neon. Okay, next one, bromine. Bromine has the atomic number of 35. It's in group 7A. So we can write down the symbol bromine, and number of valence electron is 7. Because it has the atomic number 35, we can say it has 35 protons. Will it lose or gain electrons? Well, remember, it has 7 valence electrons, and atoms want to get octet. And it'll be easy to just gain one electron. Gain one. And after gaining one, it's going to have 36 electrons. Remember, in the beginning, bromine has 35 electrons. So what kind of ion will it form? It'll form -1 ion. And with 36 electrons, it's going to resemble Kr, krypton. Kr, that has the atomic number of 36. Magnesium is right there. Okay, magnesium has the atomic number of 12. It's in group 2. So the symbol Mg, valence electron is 2 because it's in group 2, and number of proton is 12. Will it lose or gain? And how many? It'll lose 2 electrons because there are 2 electrons dangling out in the outer shell. Number of electrons after losing electron, okay? So in the beginning, magnesium had 12 electrons, but after losing 2, it now has 10 electrons. And the charge of ion formed is, so we got 12 protons and 10 electrons. So this is going to be +2. And the number of, the noble gas that resembles. So after losing 2 electrons, magnesium ends up with 10 electrons, just like the neon. Okay, next one, chlorine. Chlorine is right there. So it has the atomic number of 17, which means it has 17 protons and 17 electrons. So let's write that first, 17 protons and 17 electrons. The symbol is Cl. The number of valence electron, okay, notice that it's in group 7A. So there are 7 valence electrons. Will it lose or gain? Okay, just like the bromine, it'll gain 1 so that it can have octet. And the final number of electrons after gaining 1 would be 18. So with one more electron, it's going to become a -1 charge. And with one more electron, the noble gas with 18 electron would be argon. So answer here is AR.